Hello friends, in today's video we would be discussing the top 11 things which students should never do before an exam. Hello friends, the exam season is here and the pressure is on. But don't let the stress get the best of you. In this video, we are sharing the 11 things which you should never do before an exam. Follow these tips and you will be on your way to acing your tests. So friends, let us begin this video and enjoy. Friends, the first step is that don't cram the night before. Cramming is one of the least effective ways to study. Instead, try breaking up your studying into smaller, more manageable chunks, spread over a longer period of time. Friends, the second tip is don't procrastinate. The longer you put off studying, the harder it will be to focus when it's time to open the books. Set a study schedule and stick to it. You'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish. Friends, the next step is don't skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast can lead to fatigue and poor concentration. So, make sure to fuel up with a healthy breakfast before you head off to take your test. Friends, the next step is don't skip sleep. A lack of sleep can lead to fatigue and poor concentration. Make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to ensure that your brain is well rested and is ready to take on your exams. Friends, the next step is don't study in the wrong environment. Your study environment can have a big impact on your focus and productivity. Find a quiet, well-lit space that is free of distractions. This could be a library, a study room, or even your own bedroom. Friends, the sixth tip is don't forget to take breaks. Try taking a short break every hour or so to stretch your legs, grab a snack, or just to clear your mind. This will help you to stay refreshed and focused for longer periods of time. Friends, the next step is don't neglect reviewing your notes. By regularly reviewing your notes, you will be able to retain the information better and will be better prepared for your exam. Try to review your notes at least once a week leading up to your exams. Friends, the next step is don't neglect self-care. Exams can be stressful and it's important to take care of yourself, both physically as well as mentally. So, do make sure to eat well, exercise, get enough sleep, and give enough time for your hobbies and for spending time with your friends as well as with your family. Friends, the ninth tip is don't rely on shortcuts. Do put in the hard work and effort to truly understand the study material. This will not only lead to better grades, but also a deeper understanding and retention of the information. Friends, the 10th point is don't compare yourself to others. Every student has their own learning style and pace, and it's important to focus on your own progress and not compare yourself to others. And friends, the 11th tip is don't be afraid to ask for help. To fully understand difficult topics, reach out to your teachers or your friends for extra help and guidance. They are there to support you and they want you to succeed. Friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed the small video on the top 11 things which students should never do before exams. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.